Hello, my friends, Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and let me just tell you, I cannot believe another month has come and gone. Can you? This is just like mind-blowing to me. The only best part about another month coming is it's time for our Stamp and Die Hard Club reveal. Now, I'm really excited about this one because it just reminds me of cozy fall and cozy winter and the holidays, and it also can be used for every day because I made sure of that. But it just encompasses all of what we're feeling nowadays for this time of year. So here we go. It is called Cozy Fireplace, and let me just tell you, it is so darn cute. Now you have to go check out the add-on video because I added so many other things. You're just going to be mind blown. But look how cute this is. It has a little garland to hang on your cute little fireplace. It has a bow if you want to add it. It has some holly if you want to make it Christmas time. Hello, warm greetings. May your holidays be filled with love and warmth, thinking of you. Look how cute that is. Now, Stamp Club members, this is being sent to you automatically. You don't have to do anything. Just sit back, relax, and wait for it to get to you. Now, if you're in the Die Hard Club, you're getting the same stamps as the Stamp Club and the dies that match. Now, of course, as you know at the Stamps of Life, we also give you the inside dies, meaning you can die cut it with the shadow die, getting a shadow all the way around your stamped image, or the inside die to have no shadow. So we give you a lot of different options. You also have the garland, you have I even gave you some dies to give you some bricks. So you could add the bricks on there separately if you wanted to. Bows and everything. And let me just tell you, my design team went a little crazy with samples because of all the extra add-ons that I've designed. So make sure not only do you check out this video, but I really want you to go check out the add-ons video because when you see all the add-ons, I think I'm gonna blow your mind a little bit. Now also, of course, you know, you get your handy dandy postcard. Now I want to give you a heads up though, there are 2 sneak peeks posted on this postcard because they really coordinate with this set, but we didn't want to release it all at one time, so they're coming later this month, but they are sneak peeks, I'll just tell you that. Are you ready? Let's look at a couple samples. This one, first of all, this fireplace is all dies. Isn't that awesome? So you could just make it just by dies if you wanted to. Stay warm and cozy. Look at that fun garland hanging on there. I love it. Ooh, it also fits on an A1 card base. Look at that. It's like literally the perfect size, right? Absolutely adorable. I love that. Then it can also go on a Z fold. Are you ready for this? Dun, 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 dun. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't it adorable? I absolutely love it. It's like a full-on Christmas scene, huh? I love it. Then we have this one. Look at this. Oh, lots of sneak peeks I'm seeing on this card. I love it. Lots of sneak peeks, but look how cute. Merry Christmas. We have that garland on there. We have our fireplace. Now your fireplace, my friends, look how cute on the inside. Your fireplace can be multiple different colors. I don't want you to think, oh, it has to be just red or, oh, it has to be, look at these. Lots of different options on your fireplaces. You could even do white brick if you wanted to. Now here's one that I'm going to have to show in every single video because I absolutely love it. Yvette made this one. Are you ready? There's little Santa Claus up there. Do you see him? He's peeking over. Are you ready? Dun, 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 dun. A pop-up fireplace. Look at that. And you can see his little legs are coming down. Isn't that adorable? I absolutely love that. Using our tree, using, oh, so many things. The pop-up is the 3D pop-up #2 drop-in die. Most of you already have that, but look how cute that is, adding that on there. I absolutely love it. Now, club members, you know the deal. You're going to sit back, relax, and know these 2 items are going to be sent to you automatically. Don't even have to think about it. Ken gets up extra early to get those in the mail to you as soon as possible. Now, if you're not in the club, if you join right now, you can get these Stamp or Die Hards, or both, Stamp and Die Hard, if you join either the Stamp Club or the Die Hard Club. Now, as a club member, you get a 15% discount off of our entire website every single day, every single item, every single order. Does that include die cut machines? Yes. Does that include secret weapons? Yes. Stamps, dies, cardstock, everything. Everything. Online classes, everything. You also get club points for every shipment. You also get anniversary gifts. If you stay in a full year on your anniversary month, you get a $15 gift certificate to our website. Go to our website if you're not in the club and click join the club and just watch that video. It'll just kind of really explain everything to you. Club members, you're good to go, but you need to go check out the next video because the add-ons whoosh, are gonna blow your mind. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. So much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.